Hey guys, want one more tip how to save some money on building your kitchen? As you may see, here is part of my kitchen and well, it's in pieces. That's because the amount of money you have to spend for the assembly is roughly 50% from what the kitchen actually costs. So what do I have here? It's 4.6 meters, then 2.4, and here is 0.5, and here is one more. So that stuff made from the nice agar, how do you call this? Not the oriental structure board, but the I forgot the name of it in English. Well, probably you may guess, but from agar actually, and it's really nice. It's probably one of the best materials that you can use on bloom. Furniture bloom, like those hinges and the rollers where the cabinets go out. With all that stuff, and given it has also the natural wood like front layouts, the one that will be actually opening the door, the doors, and that stuff would cost me how much? Almost $4,000. And well, guess what? The price of assembly would be roughly the same. So, given if you have got enough knowledge to read the construction documentation, which is really nice. I don't know how is it in your country, but in Ukraine here we have some really nice suppliers. The one is called, like that's the name of a supplier. And actually they produce it really neatly. Like every cabinet is explained. Here is the visualization, so you may see how it looks like. That's the only the one part, and there is another one. So here's that this piece that is going to stand over here, and that is the other one. So quite a lot of cabinets, as you may see, and each of them is really neatly described. Take a look. Take a look. And then they have the for this cabinet specifically. So here is the cabinet. They have 1, 2, 3, the same 1, 2, 3, moving out smaller cabinets, and they are described separately. Each of them in details, really nicely, really neatly. You see? And then there goes another cabinet, the big one. So in any case, I decided myself that, well, I can give it a try. And since I know how to read these docs, since I have some instruments and I know how to lay out all these pieces and bits of everything. It's not everything, because there is almost 2/3, like 60 more percent, 65 more percent of this stuff. It's located elsewhere, because right now it's only the bottom side. So I have to assemble it, and only then we'll take another the upper storage cabinets. So here's the tip, and go ask your furniture provider if they can give you this kind of service, actually providing the furniture without assembly. On assembly you can really save a lot. Remember my words, in my country it's from 40 to 60%, so I'm saying on average 50. In your country, where the labor may be costing way more, I don't know, maybe UK, maybe Germany, maybe USA, Canada, and other nice, well-developed countries, that price might be even higher, that percentage. I mean, that would be really very easily from 60 to 70%. So yeah, just make a think of it, and having some simple tools, it's good enough to assemble it. Like every piece and bits, they really match each other, and that's really not so complicated. So you just have to invest in your time, and if you have something on your weekends, you can do this. So go for it, and don't be afraid to build things on your own.